Hello and welcome to Adrian's Kitchen. And today we are making red cabbage slaw. This slaw is crisp, colorful, and delicious. It makes a perfect side for a dinner, maybe like this one. You will need half of a red cabbage, 1 apple, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and of course, salt and fresh ground pepper. All right, let's cook. Cut your cabbage half into smaller pieces and very thinly slice. Using a mandolin makes this super easy, but if you don't have one of these, just use your favorite sharpest knife. You want to achieve something like this. Next, peel, chop, and core your apple. Shred it into your slaw using the coarse shred side of your cheese grater. Add sugar, apple cider vinegar, olive oil, a lot of fresh cracked pepper, and salt. Mix very thoroughly. And it's very important to let this sit for a minimum of 2 hours before serving so the cabbage can absorb our dressing. And serve. This slaw should be crisp, slightly sweet, slightly acidic, and a little spicy. Serve as a colorful and refreshing side dish with your next dinner. I hope you have fun making this dish, and if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and give me a thumbs up.